Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool, neat feature on Tubebuddy that's going to help you save a ton of time if you are wanting to change out a link in your descriptions of your videos. So we have over 1,500 videos on our YouTube channel, and I need to go alter a link. And if I were to go do that one by one manually, it would literally take days and days and days, up to a week. And how do I know this? Because I've actually gone and done it before. But with Tubebuddy, they have this find and replace text feature that is going to save you a lot of time. So let's head back to the YouTube channel here, and we want to go over to content. You want to make sure that you do indeed have Tubebuddy installed on your Chrome browser. It's an extension, and how you know that you have it is you'll see all these little TBs around town on your YouTube channel. They seamlessly embed themselves onto your YouTube channel, so it's like they're a part of it. So that's how you know that you actually have it installed. I want to do the find and replace text feature, and it's found under the bulk and miscellaneous tools. So I'm just going to click on that, and then it says it right here, find and replace text under bulk video processing. So a window like this is going to pop up, and there's a couple of things that you want to go through. So first of all is the action. What action do you want Tubebuddy to do? So right now it's set on find and replace text, which is the default. But if you click down on it, they've actually got a lot of other stuff. So they have find text. So if you just want to find where you said something in one of the descriptions of your videos and you can't remember which video it was, you can find it. You can also insert after a certain text, insert before a certain text, remove and delete text, adding text to the end of the description, inserting text at the beginning, and replacing the entire description. So you can see they have a lot of different features. The one that I want is the find and replace. You'll see here they have an example. They have this Spotify link here. This is the example. And so they wanted to change it from Spotify, right, to after the iTunes link. So they wanted to switch up a link, which is exactly what I want to do. So in the example, you put in the link that's already in your description, because that's the one that you want to replace. And then in the replace text, you put the link that is replacing the initial one. So I will show you an example here. So once I've placed that, I'm going to click continue. But before I do that, I want to uncheck this one here where it says search in titles. I only want to search in the description. So I'm just going to leave that one checked for description. So I'm going to click continue. And then from here, it's going to ask you, I want to search a full list of all my videos. And yes, that is true. I want it to go all videos. I want to keep it to the first one. So I'm going to click continue. Alright, so it's done searching. It took a couple minutes. I would say it took like 2 minutes or so. Definitely less than 5 minutes. You can click on the magnifying glass and it will show you the description. And you can see the highlighted yellow. That's the link right there that I wanted to change. And so you can also click here. It's showing you the before, and you can see what it looks like after to show that it is correct. So you want to select the videos that you want to do this on, and let's just do the first two to test it out to make sure. Checked those two, click continue, and then again it's asking you to confirm that you want to do it to 2 videos. Yes, do it. Start. Alright, so let's click on this video to check it out. And yep, there you go. It has been changed. Alright, so I went back, and so now I'm going to do the rest of the videos. Gonna click continue. Alright, yes, confirm, click start, and there it goes. As you can see, it's going through them a lot faster than I would have ever have. It's literally doing it like 1 a second. And I'm not joking when I say that it took me about a week to go through our entire catalog of videos. Alright, so it just finished, and I can tell you that this has saved me so much time. Alright, so if you want to check out Tubebuddy, head down to the description below because we actually have a coupon code from them that will give you 20% off. The link for that will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.